visited Sweden and it was great. The people were nice and the food was good. I ate the best cacao of my life there.
And after eating, I could enjoy the relaxing sounds of the fountains and the water trickling down, and enjoy the Swedish architecture and beautiful statues and works of art.
I even found an Oblivion NPC and the Swedish Batmobile. I went to the Tunnelbana. I also went to Skansen and Gröna Lund, but they were too expensive for my taste.
What? No money?
I also found a Viking museum and wrote my name in Old Norse. It looks like shit. Overall it was cool. But the security frisked me because I had drugs. This is racist, man. I'm leaving this place.